Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. How many hours equals to 4,380 minutes? Now we know 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 4,380 minutes will make how many hours? We can solve this using simple unitary method. So we have number of hours equal to 4,380 divided by 60, which is equal to 0 can get cancelled out, and we have 438 divided by 6. Now this is 6 sevens are 42 and 6 threes are 18. So 73 hours. 4,380 minutes mean 73 hours. This is the answer.